I mean, we got lots of blueberries growing. So many blueberries growing. And probably about 2 years ago, I didn't get to them in time. And the birds ate like the majority of the blueberries. Every single plant, every single bush has blueberries on them. Now, for example, this one is still like flowering. And so I may wait to cover this one for about another week until all the flowers have been pollinated. But this one is great. Look at that one. This one almost died on me last year. It was much, much bigger than that. And then this one. I mean, I'm gonna have so many blueberries this year. Looking forward to that. Hey guys. All right, so today, like I mentioned, I'm gonna go ahead and cover my blueberry bushes with these nets that I got from Amazon. Which apparently I gotta fix that one. Oh, that's an easy fix. But the drawstring there at the bottom to tighten it up at the bottom. And then the zipper, it zips along the side to expose the bush. And I'm just being gentle with covering them because I don't want to harm the bush. And that's it. I'm gonna tie it and seal it at the bottom. And really, it doesn't even need to be like tied, like super tight or sealed like super tight because nothing got in there with the exception of ants. That's it. And they are protected. Just want to loosen it up a little bit. And I left that one uncovered. As I mentioned before, this one is still in the process of flowering. So I need to let that finish.